This is Dickan, and I'm going to lay out a simple step-by-step method that any business owner can follow to rank on page 1 of Google using Google Maps. The first step is to set up a Google My Business listing. It was designed to make it easier for local businesses to be found on Google, and it's free. If there's anyone who does not yet have one, the link for creating it will be in the description. Google would like your title to be your company name, but there is an advantage to including your most important keyword in that as well. You want to link it to your website. The second step is your website. It must have a place or places where you can add content. These could include pages where information can be changed or added. If anyone would like their website reviewed, leave a message in the comments. The third step is the keywords you want to be found on page 1 for. Think about what your ideal client would type on a keyboard or speak into a phone if they were looking for the type of services or products you offer. The ones that bring up a Google map are particularly important. And the fourth step is the content you will want to have on your properties. On your website, it can be on pages or blog articles. On your Google My Business listing or GMB listing, it can appear in your business information, your posts, and your questions and answers. If you add relevant content consistently, Google will realize that the searchers they send you will have a good user experience. They will want to rank you high in the search results for free, so that more people will find your information. This is a win-win for you and Google. If you find this information valuable, click on the subscribe button and bell so that you will be notified every time I add another video that may be just as important for you.